Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're looking for the perfect kitchen companion to blend, grind, and whip up your favorite recipes with ease, you're in the right place. In today's video, we're counting down the top 5 best mixer grinders and blenders available right now. Whether you're making smoothies, chutneys, or tackling tough ingredients like nuts and spices, these picks deliver power, performance, and value. I've done the research, compared features, and even checked real user reviews, so you don't have to. All product links are listed in the description below, including the best deals I could find. Make sure to check them out. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell so you never miss out on smart product guides like this one. Let's jump right in. 5. Nutriullet NBF5500. The Nutriullet blender combo elevates your nutrition game with a powerful 1200-watt motor and the convenience of both a full-size pitcher and single-serve cups. With 3 precision speeds, a pulse function, and an extract program, it gives you total control at the touch of a button, perfect for creating everything from smoothies and soups to sauces and nut butters. This versatile set includes a 64-aughts blender pitcher, 32-aughts and 24-aughts cups with to-go lids, a tamper, an easy twist extractor blade made of durable stainless steel, and a recipe book to inspire your creations. The BPA-free high-performance plastic components are dishwasher safe, and cleanup is a breeze. Backed by a 1-year limited warranty, this all-in-one blender is designed to deliver convenience, power, and performance in one sleek package. 4. BLACKDECKER. Experience powerful and versatile blending with this high-performance blender, featuring 12-speed settings with pulse to achieve the perfect consistency for everything from smoothies and iced drinks to soups, purees, and juices. The removable fusion blade, a 4-point multi-level stainless steel blade, enhances efficiency and blending power by cutting through ingredients at multiple levels. With 552 watts of peak blending power and 350 watts for continuous use, it handles tough tasks with ease. Plus, all removable parts are dishwasher safe, making cleanup quick and hassle-free. 3. Ninja BL660. Experience ultimate blending power with the 1100-watt motor that effortlessly crushes even the toughest ingredients and pulverizes ice to snow in seconds. Perfect for creating creamy frozen drinks, smoothies, sauces, and more. Designed with versatility in mind, this powerhouse features 3 manual speeds, a pulse function, and a single serve option, all encased in a durable stainless steel design for long-lasting performance. The XL 72-aughts total crushing pitcher, 64-aughts in max liquid capacity, is ideal for family servings or entertaining guests, while the 16-aughts single-serve cups with spout lids offer on-the-go convenience. From chopping fresh ingredients to grinding and blending, enjoy effortless food prep without the mush. Cleanup is a breeze with BPA-free dishwasher-safe parts. Plus, get inspired with a 28-recipe guide and everything you need included in the box. The 1100-watt base, total crushing pitcher with lid, stacked blade assembly, 2 to-go cups and lids, pro extractor blades, and a 2-foot power cord. 2. Hamilton Beach Black 58148A. Experience powerful blending performance with the Hamilton Beach Blender. Equipped with 700 watts of peak power and durable stainless steel ice saber blades to effortlessly crush ice and blend your favorite smoothies, protein shakes, and frozen drinks. Its patented wave action system ensures ultra-smooth results by continuously circulating ingredients down into the blades, tackling even the toughest foods with ease. Designed for convenience, the mess-free spout makes pouring simple and clean, while the 40-ounce dishwasher-safe glass jar, lid, and removable blades allow for fast and easy cleanup. With 12 versatile blending functions controlled by an intuitive panel, this multifunction blender is your all-in-one solution for blending, pureeing, chopping, dicing, and more. 1. Magic Bullet Blender. Your Magic Bullet Blender kit comes complete with a 250-watt high-torque motor base, a stainless steel crossblade, a tall cup, a short cup, a party mug, 2 lip rings, 2 Stay Fresh resealable lids, a to-go lid, and a handy 10-second recipe guide. Built to chop, mix, blend, whip, and grind with ease, each cup is molded from high-impact plastic to stand up to everyday use. Whether you're whipping up smoothies, omelets, sauces, or dips, the powerful motor base delivers consistent results every time. Just add half cup of water for a perfectly smooth vegetable blend. Plus, the included recipe book jumpstarts your culinary creativity with quick, delicious dishes from appetizers to desserts. All right, folks, that wraps up our list of the top 5 best mixer grinders and blenders. Whether you're looking to whip up smoothies, grind spices, or mix your favorite batters, these picks have got you covered. If you want to check out any of these models or grab one for yourself, be sure to find all the product links down in the description below. Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on our latest reviews and recommendations. Drop a comment if you have any questions or if you want to share your own favorite mixer grinder or blender. See you in the next video.